Hi, good morning. In step 1, we will write Aspen Fall fitness event in cell A1 and number of participants in cell A2. We will left the third row blank and then we will write department in cell A4, then spring, then fall, then total participant and then difference. And in step 3 we will write City Hall Finance, IT Services, Engineering and City Council and their spring and fall numbers. After that we will select the cell D5 and we will add both B and C here, like we will write a simple addition formula B5 plus C5 and press enter. In the difference we will do the opposite, we will subtract C5 from B5, so we will write B5 minus C5 just like this and press enter. Then we will select both these formulas and drag them down to column E9 just like this. Now you can compare the sheet with the figure 1.